was just hay inside, and we thought it was the greatest thing. Here, right now, they have just a box. Inside is their ball. They've seen the ball every single day. It's nothing exciting, but I love this. This is what I love right here. They're so excited. This is what we call enrichment. And enrichment, it basically gets them to do behaviors that they would do in the wild. Right now, what do you think that they're doing? What are they doing right now? Killing the bucks, that's right. So this is a behavior they would do in the wild. Granted, they didn't have to run very far for their box, but at the end, they have to use their teeth to bite through it.